Hey lovelies, it's Tracy. I've been using a variety of products from PUR for the last month, and I have an adorable little kit that you might want to consider for holiday time for either yourself for travel or possibly for gifting. What this is their Daily Accessories Kit. And you get 4 pieces, and I would say that excluding base makeup, you have pretty much everything you need in here for eyes, lips, cheeks. It starts off with their 4-in-1 correcting primer. This is a little travel size, which I think is great for testing this out to see if it's something you want to use in your routine. The primer is silicone-free, very lightweight, blends in really nicely. It comes with a lip chubby. I'm a huge fan of these. This is Blushing Rose, which runs a little more neutral, a little more brown than rose. So if you're looking for something that isn't truly pink with a heavy finish of pink, this is a nice option. Also comes with their bronzer. The bronzer is really nice, and I'd say if you have warm undertones, this is something you're going to enjoy. It was a little too warm for my skin, so it's skewed in a direction that made me look a little orangey, but it applies beautifully, especially if you've already set, if you have mineral makeup on, or if you've already set your cheeks with powder. It blends nicely. It's not patchy. You can use it as your contour shade on your eyes, which I found really nice. Last but not least, it comes with their fully charged mascara. For me, this is the only downside in the kit, and kind of brought down the rating because I couldn't get it to work with or without a primer. So all 4 pieces are in here. I'm going to put a caveat on the mascara. I think maybe my environment is a little too humid. Perhaps if you live someplace where it's dry, or you're going to be visiting someplace where the weather's really dry, this might hold up better. So it's possible that just the conditions in my home were not optimal for it, but this is the only piece that didn't really work for me. But as a whole, I gave the entire kit a 3-star rating because of that. Honestly, if it was just 3 pieces without the mascara, even though the colors of the other products weren't a good fit for my skin tone, which runs more on the cool side, I would make this a 5-star kit because you get to experience everything in a small size without putting out a lot of money. So if you're looking for a kit for travel or for possible gifting, you might want to check out PUR's Daily Accessories. And if you do, let me know what you think.